This is crazy. Everything is down.
Yeah.
Rise is down. Space Mountain's down. Indiana Jones is down. Big Thunder Mountain down. See what time they come back up. Everything's down still. I'm gonna jump on Tiana. Look at her kitchen.
Yeah.
Attention, 50-foot plunge ahead. All right. Headed through Star Wars. We're headed to get something to eat. It's going to be good. Highly recommended by my barber. Shout out. Does a great job. Tiana's Bayou. Soaked. Second seat. Really bad. All right. Highly recommended. Fantasy garlic cheese brat. Let's see what we got. Let's see this.
That's the brat.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Oh,
I did get a
here. Whoa. This is what was recommended here. Garlic bread, cheesy brat. What you got, Paisley? Eat it. Get her. All right. Cheesy brat failure compared to turkey leg. Huh? The turkey leg's much better. That's okay though. That's okay. One failure. Not the end of the world. We'll get there. All right. Rise opened up, so we paid for it. Got it done. We're now taking pictures here, debating on what we're doing next.
Hey, kids.
Smuggler's Run. Alright. We're in Smuggler's Run. They actually let us meander instead of putting us in a box on a line. Never got to push buttons before. This is kind of cool. Nope.
All right, you read left and right? Up and down? You know you're left and you're right?
It's good. I don't know what it's supposed to be.
What is it?
Not good?
It's interesting.
I like it. All right. Just did Rise, did Smuggler's Run, headed to Big Thunder Mountain. Woo!